Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but I'm coming back in with a how I do my lash station setup. So I start off by cutting my tapes, and I always like to use a scissor to just cut them because it just makes it more precise, and it like allows you not to have any of like that lint that sometimes it can have from tearing. So yeah, this is just me cutting up my tape. And then I use a silicone tape, and this is the tape that I use to pull back the lashes so that I can get in those layers. So I take one skinny strip and then I actually cut that one in half as well. It just makes it easier to work with just like skinnier um, tapes versus like really thick, because they just kind of get in the way and it just doesn't really look very clean if you're trying to do content for your social media. And then this is a super tacky tape. It rips off very easily, and this is what I use to tape back the lids. So in the beginning of your service when you're setting up, if you go and take some really tacky tape and just lift the lids a little bit, it'll really help you guys with that isolation process. Um, and then after that, I'm gonna go in and prep my stuff. So this is the Lashbox LA um, gel, the allergy gel. So what this does, it actually soaks up all the fumes of that adhesive so that, you know, it doesn't get in your eyes or, you know, in their eyes. It just slows down that cost of fumes, which is super great. And then I just set up all my things. So I always like to set up my station according to what I'm gonna do, like step by step. So I have my eyelash pads there first, and then my my under eye pads, and then I have my spoolies, my tweezers. So yeah, guys. So here you're just gonna be seeing me set up. I think I probably like rearrange it at some point because I didn't like the order of it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you guys. If you guys want to see certain videos of like isolation or maybe my product, where I get them, because I do have some hacks for that too. Just go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see. And yeah, I'm looking forward to uploading again. It's been too long, but I'm back in business. Well, I was never out, but I left YouTube. But yeah, it's gonna be super cool. I can't wait to show you guys everything that has happened in the last 4 years and show you guys all the updated stuff that I have. I now have a whole Tough Shed studio, so I can't wait for you guys to see that. Bye.